Hey y'all, welcome back. I wanted to give y'all a little update on the status of the garden. Now, keep in mind, I just cut the grass just a couple of days ago, and it already, in my opinion, needs it again. Especially in some places because back here it gets really thick. I had quite a time cutting the grass. It took me all day. It was like 103. The humidity, I had to keep taking breaks because it was just terrible. And then my legs, they were all broke out, I guess, from the heat. I don't know. But we're going to have to get a small little riding mower. All right. Now, keep in mind the potatoes are almost ready. So, I'm going to flip y'all around. All right. That's the potatoes. And I couldn't help myself. I had to come out here and dig up a few of them, see what was going on here. And we got like almost 3 pounds out of this so far. But they'll be ready the 13th of July. All right. It's the squash and the zucchini. We're fixing to get down here and pick what beans we can get. I think I'm going to replant. But, I mean, it seemed like it got burned up after all the drenching rain and then the 100+ degree weather with the sweltering thick humidity. But it's all good. We'll still have plenty. I actually want to do some pickles. Now these beans look pretty good. But they're in raised beds, but they these beds do not have that ground cover underneath them. It's just straight in the ground. There's tomatoes. I've got to tie that one up. Those look pretty good compared. The peppers. And we've been having rain, thunderstorms every day. I might come down here and pull my tomatoes. I was pretty mad about that. I wanted to let them get red on the vine. But it's all good. They'll get red. And this one's starting to turn. Yay. Now, these beans got fried. So I'm not sure after I pick what's on here if I'm just going to pull them up or maybe just cut out all that fried singed leaves. But they got fried. The strawberries look like they got fried. Good morning to you, sir. Blueberries are looking nice. Those strawberries look pretty good. He just comes down here and helps himself, so they like strawberries. I got to get in here badly. We got more volunteer tomato plants coming up again, but I've got to get in here and get this all cleaned out so this and that bush can do good. It's a cherry tomato. I actually need to stake it up. The grapes are looking really good. We're having problems with beetles. So I gotta get to Lowe's and get some Sevens dust. I know not everybody likes to use that, but my dad used it for the whole time that I ever knowed he was gardening, and it didn't hurt none of us, so that's what I'll be using. My deal died. I gotta get out here and fix these grapevines. My parsley died. My chives look good. These tomatoes look good. Them not so good. But yeah. So let me know, what would y'all do about the bean situation? Would you just pull them up and replant? I think there's still plenty of time. Or would you just try to baby them and get them to continue on? And I'm so excited for those potatoes. And even if we don't get that much out of it, we've already got more than what we put in it. And you know, I said I was going to do the pavers under here and then at the table. And then I had a lady suggest to just do pavers here big enough for the grill and the table. And that is a really great idea. So we're either going to do the pavers big enough for that, or we're going to try the dry pour method of concrete and just do like a concrete patio that will conjoin into this area. Now this area is not done. He did just get out here and finish staining it, and it looks so much better. I like it so much more. But we still have, we're gonna do 3-foot walls, and I'm thinking we're gonna frame them out and then put the tin for a more rustic look. Then about right in here, he's going to put a bar big enough for 3 bar stools. Then back here, we want to do the waterproof concrete board, do like a faux concrete wall, and then put wood slats. But yeah, it's gonna be a nice little area. All right, we just got out of the garden. I grabbed my tomatoes. He pulled a couple of peppers, green beans, and cucumbers.